Good morning, my name is Shreya Patidar. In this video, we will cover Internal 2, Section B, Machine Learning. Question number 11. Transforming raw variables into more informative ones is called space. The answer of the following question is feature engineering. Feature engineering helps us to improve the model performance by creating the useful feature from raw data to informative data. Next question number 12. Predicting a numeric value such as salary is an example of space. Answer is regression, as regression model help us to predict the continuous value. For example, house price prediction. Question number 13. A model that fits training data perfectly but fails on new data suffer from space is the overfitting. As we know, in overfitting, the model memorized instead of learning patterns. Question number 14. Dropout and weight penalties are example of space method. The answer of the question is regularization. This technique reduces the overfitting problem. Question number 15. Training multiple diverse models to improve accuracy is known as space learning. Ensemble answer of the question is ensemble. It combines the model to give the better predictions. Question number 16. A simple reference model for comparison is called a space model. Answer of the question is baseline. It is used to measure whether advanced models improve results. Question number 17. Independent, unchanging data samples are described as space data. Answer of the question is static. The data that does not change over the time is static. Question number 18. Parameters tuned before training are called. Answer of the question is hyperparameters. Examples of the hyperparameters includes learning rate, depth, etc. Question number 19. Comparing two versions statically to see which performance better is space testing. The answer of the question is A/B testing. Explanation is that common in experiments and product testing. Question number 20. Normalization typically rescales numeric features to the range. To normalize, our range is between 0 to 1, which helps model to train faster and more consistent. So the answer of the question is 0 to 1. Next question. 21. The difference between train and test performance measures the model. Answer of the question is generalization. In our data set, we have 75% of the training and the remaining is testing and the validation part. It indicates how well our model handles the new data. Question number 22. Biased sampling is the data collection can cause space bias. Answer is sampling. As we know that bad sampling leads to the inaccurate model prediction. Question number 23. A model trained once and not updated further is a space model. Answer of the question is static, as model does not learn from new data. Static model over the time where we does not make any changes. Question number 24. A model that continuously retrains with new data is a space model. Answer of the question is online. Because this model learns continuously from incoming data, so it is known as online model. Question number 25. The loss function measuring divergence between predicted and the true possibility is. Answer of the question is cross entropy as a standard metric for classification. Thank you.